Two-dimensional transformation. The two-dimensional transformation is done in two-dimensional pan. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis. It is the process of modifying and repositioning the existing graphics. The transformation, there are 5 different transformations are there. One is translation, another one is scaling, third one is rotation, fourth one is reflection, the last one is shearing. Now we are going to see the basic transformation of two-dimensional plane. Now the basic transformations, one is translation, another one is scaling, the third one is rotation. Translation, it is the process of moving an object from one place to another. For this change, it may require two parameters, that is called transition parameter. One is called Tx, another one is Ty. Next transformation, scaling. Scaling is a resizing of an object, either maximize or minimize. It is also required scaling parameters. One is Sx, another one is Sy. Then the third one of the basic transformation, rotation. Rotating an object with respect to an angle in two-dimensional plane. It requires an angle theta. The angle may be clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now I have just given the short introduction about basic transformation. Now let's see one by one about the basic transformation. Now first one is a translation. The translation, what will be the initial coordinates? P of x comma y is the initial coordinate. P dash of x dash comma y dash is the new coordinates after the translation transformation. The transition parameter is called Tx comma Ty. The formula for the translation, x dash is equal to x plus Tx, y dash is equal to y plus Ty. This can be written as in the common form, P dash is equal to P plus T. P is the new coordinate, already I told you, that is x dash comma y dash. P is x comma y, old coordinate, the transition parameter Tx and Ty. We can also represent the same in the matrix format. The matrix format also, we can use either in the row format or column format. In the row format also we can write like this, x dash y dash, which is equal to xy plus Tx and Ty. Otherwise the column format wise I have been represented x dash y dash, which is equal to xy plus Tx and Ty. For example, how the object moved from one place to another place. See the example, it is a rectangle. It contains 4 different coordinates A, B, C, D. So you have to calculate each and every coordinate for this value A dash and B dash, C dash and D dash. Then only the object can be moved from one place to another place. So let's see an example for translation. So the translation, you see this figure. Before the translation, we have drawn a square. There we have given a 4 coordinates. One is 0, 0, another one is 3, 0, then the another one is 0, 3, then the next one is 3, 3. This is the graph we have taken as an example. We know the translation formula, x dash is equal to x plus Tx, y dash is equal to y plus Ty. Now I have given the unit Tx, 2 units has to be moved from the y axis based, the object has to be moved 3 units. So Tx is equal to 2, Ty is equal to 3. Now I will take the first coordinate 0, 3, 0, 0. First coordinate x dash is equal to, let's we apply this formula, x and y. I substituted 0, 0. Tx 2, Ty 3. Now we have calculated that x dash is equal to 2, y dash is equal to 3. Now the coordinate 0 comma 0, after the translation we obtained the coordinate 2 comma 3. Now let's we take a next coordinate or point 0 comma 3. Now already we know tx is equal to 2 and tx is equal to 3, so we will write as it is. Now the new coordinate x and y 0 3, so we have substituted. Now finally we obtained the result 2 comma 6. So after the transformation we obtained that 2 comma 6. Now let's we take a point 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 also, x is 3, y is 0, tx is equal to 2, ty is equal to 3. After the coordinate 3 comma 0, we have obtained the, after the translation, coordinate 5 comma 3. Now we are taking the last coordinate 3 comma 3. So x 3, y 3, tx already we know 2, ty 3. Now 5, 6 after the addition performed. So final coordinate after the 3 comma 3 we after the calculation, after the transformation we obtained 5 comma 6. Let's we plot these values into the picture. First 2 comma 3, first one. Next one is 2 comma 6. Then the third one is 5 comma 3. The next one is 5 comma 6. This is the square we obtained after the translation. If we want to perform one translation, we have to calculate the translation value for each and every coordinate of the object.